Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your DualShock 4 controller back in commission after it goes out on the video game. See? No movement, not able to control, easy fix. Go to the menu, see the menu here, you can move. It moves perfectly fine. But in the game, nothing. Nothing at all. So, easy fix. All you do, it's your PS button. Go over to sound and devices. It's quite easy. Go down to turn off device, your DualShock. I just have it plugged up to charge. I have it charged all the time, just so I don't lose battery. Don't mind the soap over there. And you click turn off device. Ask if you want to turn off DualShock. You say yes. Turns it off, and then you just hit the PS button once again to turn it back on, and voila. Easy fix. So, if you ever run into that problem of having your DualShock just out and quit on you, and it only works in the menu, that's all you do. Hit the PS button, go over to sound and device, press X, go down to turn off device, turn it off, turn your PS4 controller back on, and it's working like new. Alright, there you have it. And what I'm showing now is the Battlefield 2 beta. But that's a quick fix. So, till next time, YouTube, it's your boy D. I'm out.